Easy smart home automation for everyone.
Transform your daily routine with simple smart home automation ideas. Whether you want added convenience, energy savings, or peace of mind, getting started is easier than you think. Here are 10 practical projects anyone can set up quickly, even with little to no technical experience.
1. Automate your lights.
Install smart bulbs or plugs to control your lights from your phone or voice assistant. Set schedules to turn lights on at sunset and off at bedtime. Not only does this add convenience, but it can also help save energy and improve home security by making your house appear occupied even when you're away.
2. Set up smart thermostat controls.
Smart thermostats learn your routines and adjust temperatures automatically. Schedule your heating and cooling to optimize comfort and save money. These devices can be controlled remotely and sometimes respond to your location, ensuring your home is cozy when you arrive and energy efficient when you leave.
3. Use voice assistants for daily tasks.
Connect smart devices to a voice assistant, like Alexa or Google Assistant. Control lights, thermostats, and plugs hands-free. You can also ask for weather updates, reminders, or even play your favorite music, making your routines smoother and your home more interactive.
4. Smart plugs for appliance automation.
Plug everyday devices into smart outlets to automate coffee makers, fans, or lamps. Set schedules or timers so appliances turn on or off automatically. No more worrying if you left something running. This adds both safety and convenience to your daily life.
5. Simplify home security.
Install smart cameras or sensors that send instant alerts to your phone. Door and window sensors can notify you if something's opened unexpectedly. Many devices offer simple app controls and easy installation, providing extra peace of mind without complicated systems.
6. Automate your morning routine.
Smart speakers can read you the news or weather, making your mornings smoother and more enjoyable with little effort.
7. Schedule outdoor lighting.
The smart plugs or bulbs work flawlessly outside too. Automate porch, pathway, or garden lights based on sunset, sunrise, or specific times. This not only boosts curb appeal, but also enhances safety around your home.
8. Efficient laundry reminders.
Set smart sensors or plugs to alert you when your laundry is done. Receive a notification on your phone or a voice announcement so you never forget about a finished load again. This hack helps keep chores on track without hassle.
9. Automate climate with smart fans.
Control smart ceiling fans or portable fans with schedules or sensor triggers. Fans can run when rooms reach certain temperatures or at set times, making your space comfortable all day without lifting a finger.
10. Simple home theater control.
Sync your smart TV, speakers, and lighting for the perfect movie night. Create routines that dim lights, close blinds, and turn on your home theater with a single command. Enjoy a cinema-like experience effortlessly, right at home.
Get started with smart living today.
Even small steps in home automation can make life easier, safer, and more enjoyable. Start with 1 or 2 of these ideas and build your personalized smart home at your own pace. With today's user-friendly technology, everyone can enjoy the benefits of automation.